Now we're going to do an example problem if we wanted to find out how far something is going while it's accelerating. So we have our equation up in the upper left, and we have a car starts from rest. And hopefully you realize what that means is that my initial velocity is 0, and it's the initial because we're starting from rest. It accelerates at 9.54 meters per second squared, so my acceleration is going to be 9.54 meters per second squared. And for 6.5 seconds, that's going to be my time, 6.5 seconds. And it says how much distance was covered by the car, so I'm looking for distance, like so. Notice we're using a different equation because I'm not asking you anything about final velocity. I'm asking you about distance instead. So we now have a different equation to use. And it's a little bit more sophisticated, but we can deal with it. All right, we're looking for the distance. My initial velocity is 0. My time is 6.5 plus 1/2 the acceleration, which is 9.54. Oops, sorry about that. And my time is 6.5, but do not forget this squared. Now, what is 0 times any number? And hopefully you realize it's 0, so that whole thing goes away. I don't even have to include it anymore. So now in my calculator, I'm going to have to, let's first square the 6.5. So in your calculator, you should have a button that has a squared on it, or just take 6.5 times 6.5. We're going to multiply that times 9.54, and then multiply that times 0.5. And when you do that, hopefully you get 201 meters. And we now have, that's going to be how far our car goes if it accelerates at 9.54 meters per second squared.